Good evening, members. My name is Nikhil Sancheti. I am a director with Ardent Advisory. As a quick background, I'm a chartered accountant by profession. I've been in the country since 2005, have worked with big four firms, private equity, and last 5 years with Ardent. As a quick background to Ardent, Ardent was established in 2012 by some of the senior partners with big four firm. We have the senior management has about 150 years plus experience within the advisory background and largely with big four firms. As our product offerings, we are largely focusing on transaction advisory, risk advisory, and management consulting. So broadly talking about transaction advisory, we help companies with mergers and acquisition services, focusing on buy side and sell side. So if any of the companies are looking to buy or sell the business, we are happy to support them, and we have successfully done for a number of companies. We help with the transaction support, focusing on carrying out financial due diligence, business valuations, purchase price allocation, intangible assessments, and various other corporate advisory. We are happy to support that. We also support groups with fundraising, both on the debt and equity side. On the debt side, we are pretty active on the restructuring space as well. Just to give you some examples, I think we have successfully worked on a number of debt and equity transactions worth about 6 billion in the last 8 years of KPMG's existence, and helped in the debt advisory for about 30 billion worth of debt in the country. In the midst of pandemic, in fact, this year we've closed 3 transactions across logistics, retail and consumers and sector, and beauty and personal care services. On the risk advisory side, largely focus on the internal audit and compliance services. We've been actively involved with ADNOC for the in-country value program certification, IFRS advisory, forensic services, risk management. On the management consulting side, we focus on business strategy and planning, data analytics, and digital transformation. We are focusing on pretty actively. Process improvement and optimization, market entry, feasibility studies, we are pretty active on. On the risk advisory and management consulting side, we work with many large organizations in the region. On our geographical reach, we are largely focused on GCC and India, and more so I would say UAE and Saudi Arabia, where we have strong relationships. As far as the clients, we work with government organizations, corporates, SMEs, family offices, regional and international banks. We are sector agnostic. We work across sectors, right from retail to consumer, healthcare, education, banking and financial institutions, manufacturing. We also publish our own sector reports. We have published our healthcare, education, retail, and we will be soon coming up with new reports. Members can reach me out on 056 174 1177, and my email address is nsancheti@ardentadvisory. Thank you.